most honorable principal sir, beloved teachers, dear guests, and my school fellows, assalamu alaikum. First of all, bundle of thanks for whole teachers and especially Sir Tahir, who give me this opportunity to express my feelings and convey my thoughts about my beloved teachers, Sir Nazam and Sir Bisharat, in front of you. And according to the command of Sir Tahir, inshallah, I will express my all thoughts and feelings in English. And my name is Amar Saeed, a student of class 10. I don't know about Sir Nazam too much, but as a student of this institute, I know that Sir Nazam is a great person and a great teacher. उस्ताद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना कितनी मोहब्बतों से Sir Nazam was very honorable, and I think I have to proud on Sir Nazam because he was a good guide for each student and his unique style of teaching. I am very proud, feeling very proud and very appreciating to Sir Nazam. I can't tell more than these things about Sir Nazam because I don't know about him too much, because he was not teaching us any subject directly. But I can say very things about Sir Bisharat because he was my teacher, and during the class 9th and class 10th, he was teaching me, he was teaching our class Urdu and Pak studies. And his style of teaching was very unique, and I am very impressed by his teaching style. During the class 9, he was teaching us two subjects, Urdu and Pak studies. For a long time he teach us. He was teaching us Pak studies, and for a short time he was teaching us Urdu. During the class 10, he was also teaching us Pak studies, and his style of teaching was very unique. So I have to tell a movement of our classroom, including Sir Bisharat. Basically, I want to tell you how Sir Bisharat teaches us and what's the unique style of Sir Bisharat. During the period Sir Bisharat was teaching us, when Sir Bisharat was teaching us Pak studies, reading that statements in Urdu. Basically, the Urdu was very tough, and it's very difficult to understand for us. And we need a guide to understand that statements properly. And Sir Bisharat was translating that Urdu statements into Pahari. Urdu statements into Pahari for us, for our better understanding, and that was very unique, and I'm very impressed by him because it is very important to make each student understandable about his subject, and I very like this style because if a teacher make statements easy. If a teacher will tell us in Urdu, in easy Urdu, that statement, then it was also difficult for average students and normal students, and that is the unique thing Sir Bisharat was doing. He was translating that statements into Pahari, and I really like him. May Allah bless him, keep him safe, and May Allah keep him blessed, save him, and be happy for his remaining life. So I did lots of mistakes during the class conversation. For that, really sorry. And if you like anything, for thank you. Allah.